Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. House approves $95 billion aid for Ukraine, Israel, Taiwan. Tesla slashes prices and postpones Musk's India visit. Bitcoin ushers in new crypto era. Tobacco stocks ignite with earnings and a potential for 20-day sparks interest beyond cannabis industry. Real estate stocks stumble amid April market pullback. Sneakerheads tighten purse strings. Big earnings week ahead with Tesla, Meta Platforms, Google, and more. Stay tuned after the short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. The United States House of Representatives has approved a legislative package worth $95 billion. This package is intended to provide security aid to Ukraine, Israel, and Taiwan. In addition to this, the package also considers the potential enforcement of a ban on TikTok. Despite facing objections from hardline Republicans, these measures have garnered broad bipartisan support. The legislation is now set to be sent over to the Senate for approval in the coming week.
Tesla has reduced the prices of its Model Y, S, and X vehicles in the United States by $2,000 following underwhelming first-quarter deliveries. In addition to this, the electric car manufacturer confirmed that it is laying off more than 10% of its global workforce this week. Furthermore, over 3,000 Cybertrucks have been recalled due to an issue with a faulty accelerator pedal pad. As a result of these events, Tesla's stock has seen a significant decrease, down nearly 41% since the start of the year.
Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has delayed his trip to India due to urgent commitments at Tesla. It was anticipated that he would declare an investment ranging from $2 to $3 billion for a new factory in India. This is in line with the Indian government's goal of having 30% of new cars be electric by the year 2030. Meanwhile, Tesla's shares have seen a decrease of 14%, and the company has made public its decision to lay off over 10% of its worldwide staff.
The fourth halving event of Bitcoin took place late on Friday, causing a decrease in mining rewards from 6.25 to 3.125 Bitcoin for each block. This expected occurrence might influence the price of Bitcoin due to limitations in supply, but it could also put stress on mining stocks because of geopolitical and inflationary worries.
Philip Morris International is scheduled to commence the tobacco sector's earnings season on the 23rd of April. The expected revenue stands at $8.47 billion, with an earnings per share, or EPS, of $1.41. Industry experts forecast a drop in cigarette volume due to a slump in the Americas. However, they foresee growth driven by IQOS and ZYN products. Following this, Altria Group will announce their earnings on April 25th. There is potential for further stake reduction in Anheuser-Busch InBev following a recent rally.
Today is recognized as 420 Day, a global event celebrating cannabis. Within the United States, recreational use of marijuana has been legalized in 24 states, with additional states permitting its use for medical reasons. The Biden administration and Congress are currently striving towards nationwide legalization. Various companies including KFC, Ben & Jerry's, Rockstar Games and Popeye's Louisiana Kitchen are acknowledging this day through special themed promotions. In parallel to these events, the Drug Enforcement Administration and Justice Department are examining a proposal to change the classification of marijuana from a Schedule I to a Schedule III controlled substance.
Stocks in the real estate sector are experiencing a downward shift due to Wall Street's pullback in April and stern remarks from the Federal Reserve. This week, there were decreases observed in the real estate select sector SPDR ETF, Dow Jones Equity All REIT Total Return Index, and FTSE Nareit All Equity REITs. Despite signals from the Federal Reserve that they're not in a hurry to slash rates, stability is maintained within commercial real estate, with sectors such as retail, hospitality, and healthcare showing strong performance. For the first time this year, long-term mortgage rates have surpassed 7%, while home prices saw an increase of 1.7% during Q1. However, there was a decline of 4.3% noted in U.S. existing home sales.
The interest of teenagers in sneakers is experiencing a downward trend, with only 24% identifying as sneaker enthusiasts, a decrease from the previous year. However, Nike's Jordan brand continues to hold its appeal among 78% of these aficionados. Brands like New Balance and Hoka are witnessing an increase in their market share while Adidas, Yeezy and Vans are seeing a decline. Teenagers show a preference for purchasing directly from the brand's official websites or secondary platforms such as Dick's Sporting Goods and Amazon. Nevertheless, potential risks associated with consumer spending and inflation could pose challenges to future sales.
In the upcoming busy earnings week, reports are anticipated from a host of major companies spanning various sectors. Key participants encompass Tesla, Microsoft, Alphabet, and Meta platforms. Additional highlights comprise earnings from tech behemoths such as IBM, AT&T, Intel, and Texas Instruments. Healthcare firms like AbbVie and Merck & Company, energy corporations ExxonMobil and Chevron, leaders in the industrial sector General Electric and Boeing, manufacturers of consumer goods PepsiCo and Ford, airlines including American Airlines Group, Southwest Airlines, JetBlue, along with package delivery titan United Parcel Service will also be reporting their earnings. And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay invested. Until next time, keep turning ideas into income. Farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.